Hi guys, all well. Good to have everybody back again. Today we are having a guest, Aarti Singh. I'm just going to send an invite and then quickly start talking to you. So just bear with me for a minute. Let me see why I'm not able to. Hi Tahir, hi everybody. Just a minute, I'm trying to get my guest onto the show. Thank you everybody who's joining in. Please bear with me. She will be in really quick. Otherwise, hope everybody's doing well. Hi Vicky, hi Roshan. Hi, I can see so many people. Hi Dhruv, I just saw you sign in as well. Thank you guys. I'm trying to get my guest in. Just a minute. I'm not sure what's going on. Thank you everybody whoever's joining. I'm trying to get my guest of today into the conversation. And meanwhile, what's happening? Hi Roshan, hi Shazin, hi everybody. I can see you guys. Thank you everybody for joining in. So sorry, I'm trying to get my guest on. Hi Janzib, I can see you as well. I think she should be in soon, but again, thank you सब लोग जिन्होंने join किया, बहुत ही बड़ा welcome आप सबको. And I think, hi Aarti. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Sound all good, clear?
Yes. I think you were not able to find me.
Yes, I was not able to find you, and now I did. Thank God.
I know. It was waiting. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining in today. I'm so sorry वो connect नहीं हो रहा था, but again, thank you for waiting as well.
कोई बात नहीं. I hope everybody is safe. You are safe. Family is safe.
Yes, yes, everybody's okay. How about you guys? What's the situation now in Mumbai? I mean, you're in Mumbai, yeah?
It's much better. It's much better. The cases have gone down. It's 900 now, and like it's gone down. It's becoming better. The recovery rate is 95,000, like 95%. So it's much better now.
Okay, that's fantastic news. I mean, of course, compared to April and May, which is great. But otherwise, all okay at home? Everybody's safe?
Yes,
Like your immediate
that's
family friend?
Yes,
Awesome.
that's everybody.
Brilliant. You look fantastic, and if you allow me, it's a very fun, like a chit chat between like a very easy convo. There's nothing serious about this interview. It's just like a fun. People want to know in your life.
I know. I think we should not even go for serious conversations because everything around has been too serious since the longest time. So I think right now.
बिल्कुल. So great, fantastic. So if you allow me, Aarti, मैं शुरू करूँ?
जी हाँ, आप शुरू करिए.
Brilliant. Okay. So Aarti, tell me something. Of course, we all know that you're a fantastic actress and आप काफी अरसे से you're in the industry. But how, if I must ask, how did your journey start? Like, when did you decide कि मुझे acting ही करनी है? बचपन से शौक था या बड़े होके you decided? I mean, being from a filmy background already.
Yeah, so it was not very like. I mean, वो हर एक बच्चे का फेज होता है, कि कभी उन्हें डॉक्टर बनना होता है, कभी उनको एयर होस्टेस बनना होता है, कभी उनको कुछ बनना होता है. So मेरा भी बस I had those phases where I used to decide कि अब ये करना है. But deep down, I always knew that I want to join the industry because everybody in my family is always related. I have grown up seeing actors and like it. It was very normal thing. So I always thought that I'll become an actor only. And so the journey started. I was in Lucknow, like brought up in Lucknow. Then I came to Bombay, and that's what I was very not very like I did not. मुझे शुरुआत में ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लगा. मतलब I came and 2 months I started a show called Maika on Zee TV. That was my first show, and I like. I got the show. So touch wood, that way I was lucky.
बिल्कुल. Amazing. So how was the experience in Big Boss? Of course, आप लोग बहुत Big Boss follow करते हैं. Everybody's been, I mean, they followed you and your fans and stuff. So how was the experience actually being inside the house? हम तो बाहर से देखते हैं. So how was that experience?
Experience was okay. I mean, it was good for me. Yes, I was very in like I was very शुरुआत में तो I didn't even know what's happening. I mean, I was like, are you supposed to fight? Are you supposed to, I mean, create
So you had
drama unnecessary?
you just went in blank. You had no idea what's coming to you.
I had no idea कि क्या करना है मतलब जबरदस्ती लड़ाइयाँ करनी है जबरदस्ती क्या करना है जो टिके रहना है and I was
Okay.
definitely I was very शुरुआत में I was very confused that what's happening. What do you have to do? You have to create unnecessary uh, fights, and you have to just start shouting on top of your voice so that you are in the show. So that's not me. That's what I was very. But धीरे धीरे I understood that it's not about. It's about your opinion and everything. And slowly, I gathered that strength to speak, and then. I mean, it was a good, like, it was honestly a roller coaster ride for me. I used to miss my family a lot, and I've never been away with my family for so long. And मुझे बार-बार उनकी याद आती थी, पर फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता था this is a do die situation for me. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था no, I can't give up. And बट धीरे धीरे आई थिंक जब आपकी सराहना होने लगती है पीपल स्टार्ट लाइकिंग यू आपके अंदर अपने आप वो कॉन्फिडेंस और अपने आप वो हिम्मत आ जाती है एंड इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर श्योर एंड जब ज्यादा वक्त निकल गया तो उसके बाद आई बिकेम more confident and I started enjoying the journey afterwards because I understood the show, I understood the game. So definitely later on, the journey became much better. Yes.
Okay, awesome. But लोगों का नजरिया बदला आपकी towards like once you came out of the show, how was the people outside or your fans, how were they reacting?
Yeah, because I got a lot of love. I got a lot of respect, touchwood, because of the show. And people said, "Ladki sensible hai." Obviously, Salman sir also said nice things, and it helps. It really, मतलब आपको कोई, it's like a जब आप बोलते हो तो कुछ इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता लेकिन कोई एक इंसान जो कहीं बैठा हो आपकी तारीफ कर दे तो लोगों का नजरिया अपने आप ही बदल जाता है एंड ऑल्सो दैट आई प्रूव्ड इट दैट्स व्हाई उनका सबका नजरिया बदला एंड honestly it was a like yes people started loving me a lot and a lot of people thought ये तो नहीं टिकने वाली lot of people when I went inside the house really thought ये कुछ नहीं कर पाएगी because I have always been a very hyper person. I have always been a very मतलब फटाक से react कर देना but inside the show I was very calm very sensible because इतने सारे हाइपर लोग थे कि उनके सामने मैं दिख मेरी हाइपर कुछ नहीं I was more
You probably
हाँ मैं कितना भी हाइपर हूँ then I was the most subtle person in front of everybody so that way it really worked in my favor so जो लोगों ने सोचा अंदर जाके कुछ ना कुछ तमाशा करेगी for them it was a
shocking.
surprise shocking and for some it was a slap on their face ki sorry boss like yes
Absolutely.
so that way I think it really worked yes and yes, it got a lot of love.
Amazing. So what's your take on reality shows? I mean, you've been into one and जो होते हैं reality where there's a dance or singing. आपका क्या take है compared to films and other stuff?
I love I love Big Boss and it was like for 5 years I wanted to do the show and touchwood I did not do it before because I think I wouldn't have been like I wouldn't have handled it before nicely but now I think reality shows see Big Boss kind of a show it's a very real show it's like I always wanted to like people to know who Aarti is. So for me, it really worked like that. Because it's a reality shows for dance shows. I would love to do a dance show. I love like dancing and so I think reality shows give more like टीवी हम जब सीरियल करते हैं तो we just play a character. It becomes very monotonous. But for
Hmm.
reality shows, it's definitely you enjoy it on a different level. It's a different thing. It's not only money. You discover yourself somewhere. So I feel that way. I love doing reality shows. Like I wish I could do Khatro also, but things did not happen. That's a different thing.
But I guess maybe anything in the pipeline that you are doing or you're going to be doing for reality shows?
Honestly, right now nothing is in pipeline, and I'm only thankful to God that everybody in my family is safe.
Yeah, I think
And
that's
no,
most important.
आई थिंक इसका काम पैसा सब कुछ सब ऐसे साइड में रखो और सबसे ज्यादा इस वक्त ऐसा लगता है कि घर वाले ठीक है ना किसी को everybody is okay. I think that is much better.
I think that's a very good approach towards life. Amazing. Arthi, you've done several television shows. माशाल्लाह आपको बहुत ही recognition मिली उसमें. But any show which is very close to your heart or your personal favorite, you know, this is like or something which
Yeah.
you say कि okay मैं शायद असली में भी कुछ ऐसी हूँ, you know, like some character that you played.
नहीं नहीं मैं असली में किसी भी कैरेक्टर की जैसी नहीं थी और but yes, Varis, which I did on Ant TV, that was my favorite show, and that show gave me a lot of respect as an actor because that's why, and I really loved enjoying, like really loved, I enjoyed doing the show because my producer was very good, Ashwini Adi Vineyard Films. She was one of the bestest producers I've ever worked with. People were nice, storyline was very good कि वो लड़के को लड़की को लड़का बना के रखा है माँ ने झूठ बोला है, so it's like a story on real reality उस पे बनी थी, and lot of shades of performances I had to like, so that way I think that is my favorite show.
Okay,
Yeah.
amazing. You've done glam roles, comedy, serious. Which is like your forte? कि नहीं मुझे comedy में ज़्यादा मजा आता है या
Comedy में से I can do it, but for me, like I think still like drama is my forte, emotional things are my, yeah, but no, comedy anyways, I have a lot of people in the house to do.
Exactly, that's so absolutely.
Yeah, it's better.
I mean, I mean, of course, आपके भाई Krishna, your uncle Govinda, कोई tips मिली when you were joining or you decided, or अभी कोई tips मिलती है, or when you guys sit down and talk about कि ऐसे करो, या ऐसे मत करो.
Natural raho, that is the most important thing which I get from my, मतलब they both, मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा भी अगर जानवी जी का मैसेज आया है, if you know she's in Dubai only, yeah,
Okay.
she's an astrologer, yeah, I consult her a lot.
Oh,
So
nice.
yes, yeah, so yes, आता है मतलब suggestions आते हैं, but it's just that हाँ, they always say be natural. Just be natural because they say jitna, because it's a TV show. Normally I do TV show. People are watching you every day. So
Bilkul.
with your makeup, with your acting, just go natural because people want to connect you on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So I think that's
it.
only
Wow.
thing.
Any plans of doing any web series? I mean, considering OTT is on the rise right now, maybe in the
Not
future.
right now. हाँ अभी एक दो बार बात हुई थी एक दो शोज के लिए, बट आई मीन पर अभी कुछ फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि अभी तो सब कुछ अब जाके मंडे को थोड़ा थोड़ा बॉम्बे मुंबई खुल रहा है अब जाके.
Okay, that's fantastic news. I think after a long time, yeah.
Now मुंबई इज ओपनिंग धीरे धीरे, सो उस हिसाब से इट्स लाइक अब काम शुरू होगा.
Okay, awesome. Chalo, now a few fun questions. We've given you enough serious questions. So just look, we will give one-liner answers or one word, whatever you think. Awesome. You prefer movies, web series? क्या पसंद है? Movies or web series?
मूवीज और वेब सीरीज?
Web series, yeah.
मूवीज और वेब सीरीज?
Correct.
I think web series. I would love to do one nice web series. Why not? I mean, I think, yeah, why not? If something like that on Netflix or Z5 or something like that, I would love to do.
Awesome. Okay. Did you ever have a fangirl moment? Of course, you are from a filmy background, but kabhi aisa hua that you had a fangirl moment, you saw a star and you just went, oh my God.
Yes, I have had in Lucknow. There's this girl called, she'll be very happy. Her name is Sakshi.
Okay.
She lives near my house. So when I did Big Boss, she came home. Kaise karke. And yes, one of so she came home. Like she gave me so much of love. And one fan moment, yes, for sure, that I was in Lucknow. So मैंने कोई फोटोग्राफ डाली. So मेरे फोटो पे पीछे ना एक पार्क था. There was this girl, बेचारी वो रोज 3 दिन से बाहर निकलती थी, वो पार्क ढूंढती थी, उसके पास मेरा नंबर नहीं था. And when she used to message me on Insta, तो obviously everything goes on general, I can't see it. वो ढूंढ ढूंढ के उसने वो पार्क उतने बड़े लखनऊ में ढूंढ निकाला, because she knew where I stay, because that is इतना तो सबको पता ही है, न्यूज़पेपर्स में आ जाता है. But then she anyways found out where the park is, and then that was my
Okay.
fan.
I think that was so cute. That's lovely. Okay, another fun question. If Aarti was stuck in an elevator, कौन 3 लोगों के साथ would you like to get stuck? You would be stuck in 3 people in an elevator. तो 3 लोग कौन हो सकते हैं? That would be nice.
Salman sir.
Okay.
सलमान सर के साथ और किसके साथ यार, मुझे बेस्ट ऑफ
You have a choice. You can have anybody, actor, friend, anybody. Counting you out
सलमान
here.
सर. सलमान सर ऑब्वियसली. एंड एक तो लिफ्ट जो ठीक करता है उसको भी मैं चाहूंगी वो अंदर रहे, ताकि वो उतनी देर ठीक करे. एंड मी माई सेल्फ, आई वांट टू बी अलोन विद सलमान सर.
Got this answer before.
हाँ
I've seen I never got this answer before कि लिफ्ट वाला भी बीच में हो.
हाँ, तो वो ठीक करेगा ना लिफ्ट, अगर पता चला अंदर ही अटक के हम गए तो हम ठीक करेंगे
Just
बस.
take Salman Khan as an answer because 3 times you said Salman Khan, so I guess Salman Khan.
आई लव सलमान खान.
Oh my God, you're already like pink already, so cute. Aarti, your dream role that you want to do.
Dushman. There's this film called Dushman. Kajol.
Yes.
There's a double role of Kajol. I really like that film. I really want to do something like that.
Okay, wow, that's a fantastic role that you picked up. Anybody on your wish list that you want to work with besides not Salman Khan? Anybody else as a director or as an actor? Anybody? कोई आपकी wish list पे है कि I would like to work with them?
I mean, why not? I mean, Madhuri Dixit and Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Why
Wow.
not? Like these two people. I mean, I think I would love to work with them. And Rekha ji also. I love Rekha.
Oh, wow, they're all so fantastic. अगर आरती का पर्स खोला जाए और आरती has to go out, what's the 3 things that you don't leave without? 3 compulsory things which is always in your bag.
हाँ, घर की चाबी, परफ्यूम और चार्जर.
You okay? You didn't say mobile, but okay. आजकल तो सैनिटाइजर भी हो गया है. लिस्ट में
आजकल तो सैनिटाइजर तो गाड़ी में रहता है.
Okay.
फोन
Awesome.
आपको रहता है, फोन नहीं रहता कभी पर्स में.
Okay. If someone if you were to want, कभी आपने सोचा कि थिएटर भी करूंगी मैं, given a chance want to do theater as well?
Never.
Not sure.
I have never ever tried also for theater. मुझे offers आए हैं, but I am यार बहुत मेहनत है, बहुत patience है, बहुत. I mean, I salute theater artists. So much मेहनत they do यार. मैं मतलब I don't think so. I have never even I never got time that much to apply TV से. And when I got, I was always traveling here and there, but I never did theater. Never thought of it.
Okay. Okay. If somebody gets a day to live Aarti's life, what are they expecting? One day, if somebody gets to be Aarti, अगर किसी को एक दिन मिले आपकी जिंदगी जीने का, तो what are they expecting? Like, how does your day go by? Like, what do you do in a day? Somebody gets a chance.
बोर हो जाएंगे. I don't know. I pray. They will have to pray. आरती रोज 1 घंटा पूजा करती है और लेकिन एक चीज है जो उन्हें मिलेगी, खाने को मिलेगा। आरती बहुत खाती है। मैंने अभी मैगी खाई है, फिर मैंने वो चिप्स खाए हैं, मैंने अभी श्रीखंड खाया है। आरती बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट खाना खाती है और बहुत एंजॉय करती है खाने में। आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग दे गोना रिलिश एंड दे विल बी हैप्पी कि आरती बहुत मस्त रहती है।
With all the food, how do you stay fit? Like you work out, you have a fitness routine or something?
तो पर मैं रोज नहीं खाती हूँ, आई डू इट। चलो 3-3 दिन में एक एक बार खाती हूँ। आई डू दो मेरे से हफ्ते का एक चीट डे नहीं होता मुझे, पूरा दो हर 3 दिन के बाद आई नीड फूड। अदरवाइज आई डोंट हैव एनी मोटिवेशन। आई लव ईटिंग। आई कांट।
खा लो and work out कर लो. Okay, your
हाँ,
favorite Insta or Snapchat filter?
स्नैपचैट आई डोंट यूज।
Any filter favorite on Insta?
इंस्टा मुझे पेरिस बहुत पसंद है।
Okay, it's really nice. I
Yeah,
think it's
I
all
mean
girls'
you look natural also and you are yourself. I don't like those filters जिसमें आंखें बाहर आ जाती हैं और
and you
लैशेस
complete
अपने
face
आप।
transformation.
हाँ, आई मीन आप जैसे नहीं लगते यार। पेरिस में एटलीस्ट चलो आपने वो एक थोड़ा सा वो किया तो एटलीस्ट चलो थोड़ा बहुत डार्क सर्कल्स हट जाते हैं, विच इज ओके। आई मीन बट स्टिल आई थिंक बट यू स्टिल लुक लाइक योरसेल्फ, सो आई फील पेरिस।
True, true. I think your favorite color and your favorite food.
कलर, रेड कलर।
Okay. Are you a Leo by
And
any chance?
no, I'm an Arian. 5th April.
Arian. Okay, yeah. Oh, 5th April, right? Of course. I'm a
Yeah.
Leo because whatever you're saying is like, oh, I also like this. That's why.
No, red color. And what was the other question?
Your favorite food?
Food,
Hmm.
दाल चावल और आलू की जीरे वाली हल्दी डाल के वाली जो सब्जी होती है, that is my favorite.
Yum.
अचार के साथ,
Do you make
आम के
that?
अचार। Yes, I do. I
How
make
cool.
okay food.
Okay.
Auntie Rizwana, auntie.
Yeah,
Auntie
she's
also
doing
Arian. Yeah, she's
Yeah,
also Arian.
my mom, we have all Arians, amazing women.
Oh,
Okay. You want to say hi to your fans before I can move on to the next question? They've been like constantly
yes, I
commenting.
think I can. There are so many people. Mr. Innocent Gabru, hi. Pakistan se Alina Khan, Assalamu alaikum. And who else?
And it's just going so fast.
Yeah. You can continue, मैं बीच बीच में बोलती जाऊंगी.
Okay, great. Arti, when you pick up, you sign up for a project, what do you see in a project, in a role or in a script that you're like, this is the kind of work that I want to do?
Like something meaningful for sure. I definitely see if it is something meaningful and the lead or something really good, which will. I mean, I cannot just do anything. I'm not that kind of a person. Otherwise, after Big Boss, also I have not done much of work because मुझसे ना होता नहीं है, मुझसे कुछ भी बस पैसों के लिए नहीं होता है. So my thing is that I want to do something good and which is really, I mean, which interests me to go on the set every day. Then I definitely see that where is the set, because Bombay में set बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं. That is another thing I see. These two things are the main things.
Okay, you're quite like about it. It's amazing. And anything like obviously like this question I ask usually लोगों को पूछती हूँ कि लोग बहुत सारे लोग जैसे आप तो फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से लेकिन जो outsiders आते हैं they come with a lot of dreams and wishes and then they get disappointed, yeah, they don't get a chance and then they just they're unpleasant about the people or the kids who are already from the filmy background. I mean, what's your take on that? Any suggestion you would like to give them or anything? Because I know that filmy background kids usually get targeted a lot.
No, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. To be very honest, the people who are already established, they give like hard time or they don't need to get like unpleasant. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है because everybody आजकल के सब लोग ही normally देखा जाए तो जो actually established हैं, जो star kids हैं, they are very normal and they are very humble, I think. And but yes, work hard, don't give up, because if you will see the biggest stars over here, वो लोग कोई Rajnikant sir was a conductor. My family, my mama was in Virat. And Krishna was doing so many Bhojpuri films. He was in Bhojpuri, he used to do. And then from there, he went, he did all that. And I came from Lucknow. I did No, you don't have to give up. That's it. मतलब एक ही जिंदगी है, करना है तो करना है. And that's what. And one thing that yes, you are right. There are people who want to break you. Definitely, there are people who will say, ये क्या है, ये तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, ये क्या दिखता है, या इसमें तो टैलेंट ही नहीं है. But that's when you have to prove them wrong. बिकॉज वो तो बोलेंगे, उनका काम तो वही है आपको तोड़ना, लेकिन अगर आप टूट गए तो फिर वो जीत गए ना. सो यू डोंट हैव टू गिव अप. दैट्स इट. तो मतलब आई थिंक द बेस्ट आंसर इज सक्सेस. वर्क हार्ड इन साइलेंस एंड जस्ट शो इट. दैट्स इट.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, absolutely great. So anything you'd like to say to your Middle East fans and people abroad, and बहुत से लोग connect हुए देख रहे हैं. I mean, you must have been to Dubai, and you know, there's a huge fan
Oh,
following
I have been
in
to
Dubai.
Dubai. Mrunal, I love you. She's a warrior and a fighter. I love you, Mrunal. First of all, let's say hi to so many, like,
Yeah, please, yeah.
so, Sahil, hi. Thank you, Dilip. Thank you so much. Fit by Sachin. Hi, Sachin. How are you? पाकिस्तान से काफी मैसेजेस आते हैं मुझे वैसे.
Oh, that's great. You have a lot of
Yeah,
Pakistani
yeah.
fans in Dubai as well.
I should tell them that I really like, I watch Pakistani shows a lot. I mean, I am अभी भी watching पहली सी मोहब्बत, and I मतलब मैं रोज देखती हूँ. आज आया क्या एपिसोड? आज भी 17वां एपिसोड चल रहा है. हाय सोफिया, हाउ आर यू? अभी 17th एपिसोड अभी खत्म किया है. रिजवाना आंटी, थैंक यू. सो एंड और कौन सा, हाँ मैंने अभी सुनो चंदा पूरा 2 सीजन्स खत्म किए.
Yes, that's also really popular.
बिन तेरे खत्म किया है. So, you know, I watch a lot of Pakistani shows. I love their performances. They're so
Yeah.
beautiful. All the girls over there, they are so. Even Suno Chanda, that the lead girl, she is so good. And शुरू में ऐसा लगता था over है, but the consistency she has maintained, that I realized it later that ये over नहीं है, ये performance है, and she's so good.
True,
All
true.
of them.
They're fantastic actors. Amazing. So, yeah, anything you'd like to say to your fans in the Middle East?
Yes, I would
Any
like
kind of
to
wishes?
tell- Yes, I would like to tell all of them, and thank you so much for loving me, and thank you so much for everything. And yes, we all have gone through a lot, and we have lost our loved ones. But that's life. Life goes on. It's just that जो अभी है उसे संभाल के रखो. और
बिल्कुल.
I also feel that क्योंकि हमने इतना कुछ खोया है, जो है उसकी वैल्यू अब और भी ज्यादा होगी. क्योंकि जो बचा कुचा है, इसीलिए अब, एंड बी सेफ, बी like take care of your parents, go out, like don't go, like go out, because see, I cannot say that you can't go out, because
You have to do your essentials and work, of course.
essentials, work little bit. अब तो थोड़ा बहुत सब कुछ खुल गया. My only thing is, I know that nobody will listen. They will go out. तो आपको ये बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है. My only thing, if you are going out, just go with full precautions. Wear your mask nicely. इधर तक मत लगाओ, फालतूगिरी मत करो. And this too shall pass, and we all will be
Coming back
we all
stronger.
will be safe, and yes, everything will be fine very soon. And yes, I would love to come to Middle East again. I would love to go to Dubai. I so want to come to Dubai. Like, I am actually waiting कि मेरे को दुबई कब जाने को मिलेगा. And
so whenever you do visit, please do message that you are on the way. It would be great. Maybe one of your fans would like to meet you. I mean, people really do love you here, and they watch your stuff.
2000 I am visiting Dubai maybe in August, because that's the plan. So I will be coming to.
Please, I would love to meet you and maybe give somebody a chance to actually see Aarti in real life.
For sure, I will. Yes,
amazing.
Yes.
And I would like to thank Rizana Aunty for connecting me with you, and thank you to you for coming on to the show.
Thank you so much. Bye. You take care.
Take care. Look after yourself. Bye-bye. Bye. Nice talking to you. Bye.
Bye.
Great, guys. So that was Aarti and little stuff about her life and her journey. I hope you guys enjoyed the conversation. Everybody, whoever's joined in, her fans from India and Middle East and everywhere, thank you very, very much. Look after yourself. Be safe. Please wear your mask. Cover yourself and look after your families. Thank you so much. Take care. We'll see you very soon next week. Take care.